Hello again. Today is the 20th of October, and let's start today with something different. Some episodes ago, we talked about a new way of structuring our episodes, and today is the day where we will start with this new format. So we have just laid down the main components of our Kickstarter campaign, and we want to tell you that some of these components will live beyond our campaign, and the main components are the store, the album, the philosophy, NFTs, leads, social media, and YouTube. All right. So starting from the bottom to the top, YouTube is where we create shorts, is where we create 2D animations, is where we try to reach a very broad audience. Social media is where we try to create our community through Instagram, Twitter, and other social media sources. The leads is the website that we use to collect leads to our campaign. We hopefully will collect enough leads to launch our campaign and have a successful first day. NFTs will be where we will start to experiment and try to sell our art in exchange of cryptocurrencies. And we have our philosophy, which is the holy grail of all this campaign and is what we really want to share with you. Then we have the album, and the album is one of the many examples that we are building of implementing our philosophy. And we have our store to help us fund all these efforts that we have been doing for you. So this is the overall view of our campaign once again, and probably explained in a more structured manner. And the new format of our episodes is about telling what will be our next steps. Right? We want to do a lot of work, all right? We want to work, we want to make things happen, and to make things happen, we have to plan and do these little tasks. So from the components of our campaign that we talked about, the store, the album, the NFTs, the philosophy, the leads, the social media, and YouTube, the components we want to work on now is the store and the NFTs. All right. So what is happening with the store? We want to make our first sell, our first t-shirt. We want to do it. And we also want to sell our first NFT. And how do we do this? Firstly, by finishing the designs we have. All right. We want to finish 3 designs and expose them to you. And in NFTs, we will work on our mascot, and we already have a mascot, and we will try to package it in a way that might or might not be attractive for our first NFT. All right. So this is exactly what we want to do until the next episode. 1. Create our first NFT. 2. Create our 3 t-shirts. All right. And later marketing them properly. Later we will create a video, and 3, create the video storyline. Alright, so these are the 3 things that we want to do. Create our first NFT with our mascot, create our 3 t-shirts for marketing, and then create our video storyline. All right. So this is what we plan on doing, and we will try to make it until the next meeting. And I want to tell you that this that you are seeing is the implementation of our own type of crowdfunding strategy that we named breadcrumb strategy. All right, we will let you see what we are doing. We will let a lot of breadcrumbs, because when we launch our campaign, we want to have a vast track of work done, so you can see we are not playing, we are being very, very serious. All right, so guys, thank you so much for listening. See you next time.